canoe.
Ready?
Go, do it. Yeah. Shimmy up onto that. Be careful. Oh, you got boots on. I'm in my feet. All right. No, you gotta get higher. You gotta get a little bit higher. All right, you're in. All right, you're in the boat. You're filling the boat with water. All right. Now half our gear floated downriver, including our food. We were like talking about. I don't even want to get into it. That is amazing. We dumped the canoe. All right, so I'm literally up to my navel in water. Dry bag didn't stay closed, but most of it right now is dry. So if you want your stuff to stay dry, you need to help me out here. Be careful now. That's your way of staying warm. Because we're gonna have to change. All right, I got something just gripping me here. I'm grabbing my double bag here. We got a lot of thorns, so cautious. You don't want to perforate anything. We might have to get out and make a fire, dude. This is fucking amazing. All right. So. No. Oh, look up. There's a turkey vulture. They're like, I'm going to eat them tonight because they're going to die. Oh my God! Slow. I don't have shoes on, so I'm in like on all the twigs and whatnot. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. Take the boat super slow down to where you got in, so I can shimmy and get in. Do we have 2 paddles? Yeah, we do. All right. I'm just trying to get footing, and it ain't happening. So I'm actually gonna pull down here a little bit. All right, you need to put the weight more in the center. All right, I'm almost in. All right, now, slow moving. We've got to find our other gear that floated away. Here's the good news. I have my main gear, so I have the ability to make us a fire. Yeah, my stuff fell. But that includes our food. Actually, we might be okay just sitting here for a second. And let's reorganize here. Our water's gone. We have no, we'll find it. I mean, you're gonna go down the river and you're gonna see it caught on something. Yes. Just slow. It won't be funny later if we're wet and freezing and thirsty. Big time.